off the mic too, inshallah. Does any decree that befalls on us, should we blame ourselves or Allah? Listen, everybody listen. When something bad happens to you, I'll say that again so you're listening. When something bad happens to you, that is not because you are a bad person. When something bad happens to you, that is not because you are a bad person. It happens because it is a test from Allah. The only time bad things happen, and that's because you're a bad person, is in the akhirah. Did bad things happen to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Yes. He's the best person. You should not look at your life experience and say, this is because I'm a bad person. Now, that's the first thing. The second thing, sometimes it might be a punishment from Allah, but you will never know. You will never know. Are there floods in the world? Yes. Are there earthquakes in the world? Yes. Was Nuh alayhi salam's nation flooded? Yes. So there's a flood that happened at the time of Nuh, and there's a flood that happened last year. Yes? People died from a flood at the time of Nuh. People died in 2014. Yes or no? But the people who died at the time of Nuh alayhi salam, it is absolutely clear it is because of the sins of people, because Allah revealed that. And they had a messenger among them. And that's why they got punished. But when people died because of a flood in 2014, there was no messenger, there was no revelation. We don't know why they died. Maybe they died and went straight to Jannah. Maybe it's a fitna from Allah. Some people in it were evil, some people in it were good. We have no idea. We cannot say these people got a flood because they're evil. This is wrong. This is wrong. So we have to understand, trials happen, bad things happen sometimes, and they are, what the reason behind them, sometimes only Allah knows. We're not going to know. We will not know. Just like the angels can't understand everything, just like Musa alayhi salam with Khidr can't understand everything, sometimes Allah does things in this world we cannot understand. The one thing we do know is وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ, Allah will test you. And He will test you with good and He will test you with evil. Sometimes He'll test you with good things, and sometimes He'll test you with hurtful things, harmful things. So we have to try to find that balance between them. May Allah Azza wa Jalla give us true reliance on Him. Thank you so very much for being patient with me this evening and listening. Jazakumullahu khairan.